How to fix wireless charging not working in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option battery. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on charging settings. Now here you can see the option fast wireless charging. If you turn off this button, then turn it on. After turn on this button, then go back and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.